Good morning. Oof. It's been a while since we've done one of these commutes. I've been out of the country. I'm back. I'm not starting from home today. This is actually Utica Square, 21st and Utica in Tulsa. And I've driven from here before. I think I drove from here home once before. This is where I go for physical therapy, chiropractor, that kind of stuff. After 36 hours of travel, it's kind of prudent to get adjusted, I guess. So we're driving from Utica Square to work today. See a few different sites. Haven't quite decided which way to go. Last time we came from this area, but we were going home instead of to work, and so we went down 21st, and we got to cross Southwest Boulevard where the Singing Road is. I think I talked about Woody Guthrie and probably Bob Wills in that one because I don't know, it's relevant. And I think today, maybe we'll take the highway. We haven't done that. So, I mean, I've done it without you guys, but I haven't done it with you. So, oh my goodness! I don't know if you can read any of the bumper stickers on this car right here. That person is opinionated. And wants everybody to know it. This part of Tulsa, I'm just headed down Utica for 21st. Restaurants in a fun little district. Kind of unique restaurants. It's also not chains. Kilkenny's is Irish. We've got Nola's is Cajun. A couple of my favorites. Hideaway, which technically, I mean, it's a chain, but started in Stillwater, Oklahoma. Now there's a bunch of them in OKC and Tulsa. Andolini's, another great pizza place. I think that's just a Tulsa thing, but I'm not sure. There's at least 3 of them in Tulsa. Other restaurants, kind of coffee shops or places. I didn't come in this way this morning because all this construction is just nuts, but I guess it's okay if I'm late to work, so I'm going this way. Probably should have just gone on down to 11th and taken the day in, but it's okay for me to be late to work. I don't like to be late to work, so see how old Rosebud does on the highway. sign there. It says store at Route 66, Tulsa, Oklahoma. So yeah, that's it. Not too long of a drive from Utica, especially when you take the highway. It would have been a little more winding, scenic, and interesting if we had gone on and taken 11. But been out of office for 6 business days. So I guess I'm kind of eager to get back and see my people again. So I'll go ahead and cut everything off now. Out of downtown. Weather report. Really freaking hot today. Oof. I don't know why I keep going in and out of here. I don't need to do that. So anyway, have a super duper day. Back to where I always sign off. And I'll see everybody next time. Hopefully this evening we'll get another recording on